Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do uncoupling in a proper way, in a proper steps. Just remind the steps one by one and you can easily do it. Let's get started. And now I'm gonna take out my kingpin puller, and with this I can just easily get underneath, pull out the pin from the fifth wheel, and what it's gonna do is gonna unlock the jaw and release the kingpin. And there, and now I'm gonna check if the brakes for the trailer is pulled out. It wasn't, so there's nothing wrong if you could check twice just to make sure everything is good. And now we're gonna unhook those glad hand from the trailer as well as this electrical cable. Please make sure those wires are at the safe place because you don't want them to get stuck underneath the tires and get broken. And the next step is lower down the landing gear with this landing stick. Once you're done, we're gonna go inside and try to pull ahead. But also make sure you don't touch those landing gear right onto the ground. Just leave a tiny space in between and check with your feet. All right, let's get inside now. There is nothing wrong if you want to double check your steps here. Uh, Now the next step's gonna be we're gonna dump the air from the tractor airbags. So we will have a tiny little space in between the fifth wheel and the trailer. And this is a good practice actually. Once the trailer is loaded, so you don't have the total pressure on to the truck, or the trailer doesn't slide right after uh, once you pull out the tractor onto the truck frame. So as you can hear, the air is releasing from the airbag. It's going down. I know it's kind of hard to see from the mirror. Once it's down, you can just put into the drive, release the tractor brakes, and try to pull head slowly so it could come out from the trailer. There you go, nice and easy. So as you can see, we just did it in a couple of steps. Just keep in mind here all the steps. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the more videos. Thank you.